Hello there guys, Mark here. I hope you are well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie the basic version of the diamond knot. The diamond knot is a multi-strand knot used to transition between techniques or to finish up projects. It shares its look and functionality with the foot rope knot. But it is tied differently and it has a ton of variations. In this tutorial, we're going to be tying the basic version of the diamond knot, and I'm going to show you how to double it up. As you can see here, the diamond knot can be used as a transitional knot. You have one technique coming into the knot, and you can start a different technique on the other side. This is often used in lanyards and bell ropes. So with this said, we're going to start by tying the basic form, and then I'm going to show you two ways of doubling up the basic diamond knot. Here I have a number of strands coming out of a project. In this case, 4 strands. The diamond knot can be tied using 3 strands, 4, 5, 6, it doesn't matter. The process is always the same. So, how do we do it? You take a strand, you pass over the next strand in the counterclockwise direction and under the second one, like this. Then you hold onto the cord. You take the next one, again over one, under one. You take the next cord, over one, and then under one, into the first loop. Like this. And the last cord over our first cord, so over this one and under the next one, which has already been used. Like this. After you tighten up, what you get is the basic form for the diamond knot. After tying the knot, you can use it as it is. Usually though, it is doubled up, tripled up, and so on. To do this, you have two options. First, I'm going to show you the more common inner method. The inner method doubles up your strands on the inner side, the outer one on the outer side. Let's start with this strand. Pass it over like this and double up this strand. So simply follow it and double it up on the inner side, like this. Take the next cord, again pass it over, and double up this strand on the inner side. like this. Take the next strand, pass it over, and follow this strand. Like this. Take the last of your strands, which is found in this pair. It is the outer one. We have doubled it up on the inner side. So take the outer cord, again, pass over this strand, and double it up on the inner side. Like this. And the knot is now doubled up. You can see that the strands in this case are fairly close to the middle. You can now continue with some sort of a technique. You can now probably imagine how to double up using the outer technique. Basically, we take a strand, and when we double up, we follow on the outside. So we take this strand, place it alongside this strand, and follow it. Like this. Take the next strand, again simply place it next to the strand that you're doubling up and follow it. Like this. And the next strand, again simply place it next to your strand and double it up. Like this. And now the last of our strands. Again, it is found in this pair. This time, it is our inner strand. Since we're doubling up on the outside, we have doubled it up using this strand. So we take the inner one, and we follow this strand through the knot, like this on the outside, like this. You can now see that the outer method places your ends further from the middle. This is usually not ideal, but in some cases it can be handy. And so guys, this is the diamond knot. An excellent knot for transitioning between techniques or for finishing up projects. Guys, thank you very much for joining me in this simple tutorial. Do join me in my future ones where I'm going to be doing more complicated diamond knots. Thank you and see ya next time.